Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's your girl, Lady M here, and in today's video, we're going to be doing my April base Boxycharm box unboxing. So I have my base box here, my April box here, and we're going to be unboxing and going over the contents together. But before we get into today's video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. That way you will become part of the Lady M fam, and you will also be notified when new videos go up when you hit that little notification bell. I don't want you guys to miss out on this awesome content. But before we do anything else, hit that button and then let's get into today's video. All right, so I'm opening up my box with my tool here. So we're about to open her up to see what's in here. Okay, oh boy. All right, and so let's take a look-see together. This is my box. Oh my. Let's see what's in here, shall we? I am going to put the box right here and we're gonna get into it. So this month's Boxycharm theme is Sweet Treats, and this is the little flyer. And on here it has all the list of all the items in the box, and then it also has all of the prices. Okay, so before we get into it, like I mentioned, the Boxycharm has 3 different boxes. It has the base box, which is what I have. Then you have the premium, and then you have the luxe. The luxe box I get every 3 months. So I got a March box, so I probably won't get another box until June timeframe when I get another luxe box. And then you have the premium. So you can sign up for the premium instead of the base. And then you get like more premium items in that box. All the information about Boxycharm, how to sign up, is gonna be listed in the description box down below. So be sure to check that out. If I have any codes that usually they give me some special offers, I will also list that in the description box below. All right, guys, so let's jump right into the box. And the first product we have is the Pharmacy Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. Pharmacy is like one of my favorite skincare brands. Most of their products have honey in it that comes from like a bee. Okay, so it's going to be super hydrating, just like my hair. I tend to love a lot of honey products for my hair because it's very hydrating. My hair is moisturized. It helps to clump my curls together. So I love anything that has honey. For pharmacy products, they have no parabens, no synthetic fragrance, no mineral oil. It's cruelty-free, it's phthalate-free, and it's formaldehyde-free. So if you're looking for products that are free from all those things, then check out Pharmacy. I do use a couple other things from them before. Their cleansing balm is the bomb. So this is what the product looks like. And it's just a regular facial oil. Do I have a facial oil out right now? No. So I will be excited to finally try this out. So it says here, a fast absorbing, non-comedogenic face oil that delivers intense hydration and helps to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So as you do know, you need hydration. That's typically one of the ways that you fight fine lines and wrinkles. This retails for $48. Okay. So that's that. I am super excited for that. The next goodie I have is the Touch Insole Icy Sherbet Primer. and that is what she looks like. I don't think I've tried anything from them before. I have received other items from them in other Boxycharm boxes, but one of my friends uses the, I don't know what it's called, Tears No More or something like that, but it's like a primer. So I ended up giving it to her because that was something that she loves. So what do we have here? We have the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. It locks your looks in place and keeps them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps skin for makeup. The formula is silicone-free with water-capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. I mean, does that not sound like something that you want to try to use under your makeup? And this retails for $32. I guess it's a gel, so it has a nice little seal on here. So, oh my God, it smells amazing. Ooh. Yes, it smells so good. Oh my God. Okay. Should we try her out, guys? I think yes. So I'm excited for that. I love to try new primers because I'm always about primers. I think this brand is a Korean brand. So y'all know K-Beauty is up on their game when it comes to skincare. Because if you've ever seen those Korean ladies, listen, skin is like flawless. They look amazing. Yeah. So that's cool. I like it. All right, what else we got up in here? We have a Mally Beauty Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra. This retails for $25 and it says, these shadow sticks are the queens of multitasking. Stay looking fierce from the minute you put them on until you take them off. It's your primer, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and brush all in one. Those are bold claims. These customizable shadows will cover, sculpt, and line eyes, easily blend for a sheer wash of color, or layer for more intensity. You can even use them as a beautiful smudgy eyeliner for a smoldering, smoky eye. So it's super easy to go from day to night. Like, I know we all love to go from day to night. And this color, yeah. The way my skin is set up, I don't think this color is really gonna work for me. So I'm not even gonna swatch it. I will just politely give that to somebody who it will work for. Thanks. Okay, so the next thing I have is Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. It's their Monarch Lash Pack. Okay. Whether you are transitioning into makeup or simply seeking an everyday comfortable glam lash, Baby Girl and Charmer are the perfect duo. Baby Girl is an angled lash perfect for achieving the iconic cat eye effect. Charmer is a round lash recreated for an instant doll eye effect. Both are 100% silk and cruelty-free. Apply your favorite pair with the lash applicator included in your kit. And this is retails for $38. I tend to not like these kinds of lashes. So let me open it up and take a look. I don't like these kinds of lashes. Yeah, they're kind of hard to work with, and those are what the lashes look like. So yeah, these will be good for like, I don't even know who, because I tend to not like, and these probably look really good. Like the top one with the wing probably will look really, really pretty on the eyes. I don't know. Maybe I'll try them. Maybe I won't. I don't know what I'm feeling. I don't know. I don't know. I do like that cute little lash applicator, but I just use tweezers. I never really use those kinds of applicators. So, I'm not sure. I kind of have my go-to lashes, and I really, really rarely venture out with new lashes. You know, they say you're supposed to stick to what you know, and if it ain't broke, then yeah, don't bother. Like, no. All right, and the last thing I have here is this, I don't know, KNDR Beauty Kinder Glow Highlighting Palette. This palette includes 3 universally flattering highlighters and 1 marble highlighter. The talc-free buttery formula practically melts into the skin, granting a beautiful luminous look with opalescent pearls and a velvet texture. The compact size makes it easy to travel with and allows you for an on-the-go glow. Okay, this retails for $15, and I will be sure to just write down in the bottom here how much, what is the value, the total value of my box. So I'll put it in the description box, and then I'll link it down below on the screen. So I'm opening her. Oh, I didn't show you the box. This is the box. It's nice pink packaging. Very nice. Never heard of this brand before, KNDR Beauty. And then this is what the palette is looking like. Let's see here. Oops, let me try to open it up. And these look like they're kind of nice. Let me show you guys. So that is the palette and the colors. There is a marble one, but that marble one looks like it has a silver base to it. I think this one right here probably would work really well on my skin tone because it looks really, really like that bronzy kind of color. And this gold looks more like a silver kind of gold, this gold right here. So probably like a silver base to it. So that probably won't work. This is vegan and cruelty free, and you do get 2.5 grams per each quad. So yeah, pretty interesting. I think they tried, how many items did I get? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I probably would say for sure, definitely gonna use the primer, and I'm definitely gonna use the oil. I told you guys I'm not sure about the lashes, just because the band is looks like it's kind of thick, and I don't really like those kinds of lashes because they're just not, you know, the band isn't as flexible. But I could be judging a book from its cover, so we shall see. I mean, the band doesn't look any more thicker than like my Lily lashes or anything like that. So we should see. The highlighter, I don't think it's gonna really work for me. I think some of the colors in it look kind of funky. But anyway, guys, what did you get in your Boxycharm box? Are you subscribed? What are your thoughts? I mean, like, do you think it's worth it? Yeah, let me know in the comments below. And thank you guys for joining me in today's video. Before you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you have not already done so to become part of the Lady M fam. And while you're there, why not just turn on the notification bell so that way you will be notified whenever new videos go up. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.